Last week we were seeing those warm temperatures. Now it's cooling down. Today we only had a high of 67 degrees and some of our mountain communities did see some snow, and a viewer did send in some video of hail actually that was seen here in the valley. We got reports of hail in Shafter as well as in Taft. So thank you guys for sending in all of the photos and videos of that hail as well as rain and snow. But I want to take you back to what we're looking right now. 48 degrees in Bakersfield, so 15 degrees cooler than what we were seeing this time yesterday. Only 9-mile-per-hour winds, but still we saw these breezy conditions throughout the afternoon as well as isolated showers overnight. Now temperatures dropping to below freezing in some of our mountain communities, 20 in Breckenridge right now, 18 down in Pine Mountain Club. So any of this extra moisture that's being squeezed out of these clouds is actually going to be turning into that accumulating snow. So this winter weather advisory is in effect until 2 a.m. tomorrow. That brings up low visibility due to this blowing snow. I have more details